Hey guys, so this is a long overdue video that we promised a while ago.
Like 2 months ago, I think.
Yeah, probably longer than that, honestly. So we're actually back in Georgia. As you can see, the fifth wheel is behind us.
Kitty!
And there's a kitty on the ground. That's my mom's cat. His name's Pippin from Lord of the Rings. We're all nerds here. Alright, so anyway, the fifth wheel we are no longer living in because we purchased a new rig. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn the camera around here. You can see in the barn there is our new rig. We bought a retired MCI charter bus. So it is a 45-foot bus. It's an MCI 102 DL3. And we're gonna tell you a little bit about it and a little bit about our plans. All right, so we are seated inside the bus. As you guys can probably see, it is mid-conversion right now. So we got a little bit of a head start, but I'll show you guys some footage here of some of the breakdown and whatnot. So yeah, we bought this bus back in May of 2024, and it has been going through a skinning process. I had it down at a shop in Florida to have it skinned. I didn't get a lot of footage. Got maybe some pictures and that kind of thing that I can show. Not super happy with how it turned out, so I don't really want to go a lot into that. So I'll mostly glaze over that. But I'll show you guys the issues that I have with it and whatnot. Anyways, I'm rambling.
So yeah, we bought a bus! Yay, we're so excited. Now we get to sell the fifth wheel, get the bus build going, and hopefully get back on the road really, really soon. Really.
Yes, we hope to get on the road before the bus is actually finished, because we know these processes take a long time and usually take a lot longer than you expect. So we're not really setting a timeline, but we're like, our goal is to get on the road. So we'll see what that looks like over the coming months, year, whatever. This is not going to turn into a
how to build a
multi-year.
Bus. Yeah.
Well, yeah,
it's not a how to build.
This isn't going to be a how to build a bus. It's going to be a how did we do it?
Yeah.
Maybe like an overview of what we chose to do with our bus. But we're new to this. This is nothing like anything we've ever done before. I mean, you're essentially building a home that rolls down the road, and really all you have to work with is a shell. So it's a lot of work. I mean, we've probably put 3 or 4 solid days already into demolition, and we're
not done.
Yeah, we're not done.
Not
We're most of the way through, I would say.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's going to be a long process. So yeah, we're excited for it. I've wanted to do this pretty much ever since
the beginning. Really?
Yeah, really, even before we bought the fifth wheel, I've wanted to do something like this. As you guys have probably seen in our other videos, I'm very DIY friendly, I guess you could say. I like building things. I like fixing things. I like modifying things. So this was sort of a natural progression.
So yeah, let's show you what we got so far.
Yeah. Real quick though, before we do that, I do want to ask for any input. So if you guys have ever done this before, or if you've built houses or anything like that, if you've ever done anything to this scale, please leave down in the comments just some like helpful tips, things that I should be paying attention to when building this. I say Reagan's going to be building the bus as well, but I'd say probably 90% of it's going to fall on me. So shoot us any helpful tips, tricks, experiences, especially things to not do. Yeah. I want to know everything that you guys know that we shouldn't do to this bus. So let's take you guys around. All right, so as you guys have already seen, and you can ignore the messy barn, there's tools and crap all over the place. But yeah, this is the bus. Bought it from a charter company. But here I'm going to show you. We have 3 under bays that go all the way through. As you can see, I've ripped out all of these bus speakers and air conditioning things and lights and whatnot. And my plan is to actually repurpose at least a few of these for something cool in the future. But yeah, we've got 3 bays that go all the way through. They are absolutely massive. I would say we probably have 6 times the storage, if not more, 8 times the storage.
Yeah, easy, considering the fifth wheel had 1 bay that was really like partially usable. So
Exactly, and it had like a sewer connection thing that ran down the center of the bay, which, I mean, don't get me wrong, we love our fifth wheel, and we still do, and it's going to be really sad when we get rid of it, but we're happy to have the extra storage. But anyway, so this is the side of the bus. This is one of the skins that we had put on there. Obviously, we're still missing some trim and paint. It's primered and whatnot. It needs some work, but run around the back here real quick. For those that are curious, it is a Detroit Series 60, 12.7 liter, paired with the Allison B500 transmission. So from my understanding, that's a pretty reliable combo. So that was our goal, is reliability. Yeah, and then here's another skin. I can't go past our insulation, so we'll have to walk around the other side. And then there is the 3rd skin that we had done. So it's kind of non-traditional, where we have the windows in the center on this side, and on the other side we have skin in the center. So it's definitely going to be a unique bus for sure. But yeah, here's another one of those underbay storages. That's our storage compartments. That's completely full of crap right now. And then the 3rd one is back there, and I'm not going to show you guys that.
come on, guys.
So there's our wiring mess right now, because we removed all the luggage compartments that were up there. Yeah, so we'll let Reagan give you the grand tour of the interior.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Oh, okay. So we have these seats still.
Yeah, these are the only seats we've left, and they will be coming out.
And then we have this lovely, I don't even know what you would call this. The flooring isn't level, so we gotta level that.
Yeah, it's like a ramp.
Yeah. And we have all of these. They're great.
This is in
Our mess. Welcome to it.
Yeah.
So.
It's a wonderful tour, right, of our junkyard. But no, we've got a lot of work to do, but we've got a lot done as well. So here's our old windows. That was the bathroom, or I guess still technically is a bathroom until we pull that out. There's wiring hanging all over the bus, where we had lights and all that from the luggage compartments. But yeah, I mean,
we have found some really cool stuff though. I mean, just look right here. Is this $1?
oh my gosh,
I gotta find it.
that
Okay.
looks
Look!
staged. That totally
It
looks
does
like
look
was-
staged, but I swear it wasn't. Oh my gosh, I found $1. It's a nasty dollar too.
Bus pays for itself. Look at that. So yeah, I mean, honestly, we've gotten like $300 in scrap so far, which is kind of cool. But
And then we get to find all these cool things. Like, look, NASA.
the beauty of purchasing a retired charter bus. I found tons of like casino cards and hotel room cards and whatnot. But yeah, anyways, we're just kind of blabbering. But just wanted to show you guys what the inside looks like right now. It's going to look very different here in the next few weeks, hopefully. So here's a quick look at what the bus looked like prior to the demolition. It actually looks a lot smaller on camera than it is in person, but it's a 55-seat charter bus, so it's pretty large. And here's what it looked like without the skins on the side, just as we bought it. stay tuned because there will be more videos coming. I'm not going to commit to a video a week or anything like that just because I don't want to be miserable during this process. And if I have to focus on building this thing out and also
Editing,
making perfect YouTube videos, not that any of our videos are perfect or anywhere close to that, but you guys know what I mean, right? Like I don't want YouTube to be a stressor in this situation because there's going to be enough of those already. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to have some more videos coming up soon. Probably the first couple will be more demolition related. But I also have purchased and received a few things that are going to be going into the bus, and I'll do a video here shortly talking about those, like solar and water filtration, that kind of thing. So see you guys later.